Create Fun channel. Today we'll see Hindi. I'm referring to Surabhi textbook class 3 and lesson number 9 Imandar Lakdahara means the honest woodcutter. Here itself it is there. Yeah, I'll just explain the lesson in English and it is more about this lesson. Everyone knows it. It is very similar because we have seen this lesson from childhood. Yeah, we'll see. Just here he has given few words. Padiye or samjiye, read and understand. Lakdahara, kulhadi, prakat, lakdiya, jal devata, dubki. We'll see the lesson now. किसी गांव में एक गरीब लकड़हारा रहता था. What does it mean? Like in one village, one poor woodcutter was staying. एक दिन जब वह नदी किनारे लकड़ियां काट रहा था तो उसकी कुल्हाड़ी आग से छूटकर नदी में जा गिरी. One day what happened? He was going to river. Like for what? Beside of the river to cut the wood. So one day what happened? One day लकड़ियाँ काट रहा था. One day on the beside of the river he was cutting the wood. That time that axe got slipped from his hand and it fell into the river. That he was telling about. यहाँ देख वहाँ नदी किनारे बैठकर रोने लगा. तभी नदी से जल देवता प्रकट हुए. What happened when it got slipped from his hand and it fell down in the river? He sat down and started crying. रोने लगा. He sat beside the river. बैठकर means sat. रोने लगा. Started crying. तभी नदी से जल देवता प्रकट हुए. That time from the river water god came. क्या हुआ? तुम क्यों रो रहे हो? The god asked, what happened? Why you are crying? मेरी कुल्हाड़ी नदी में गिर गई है. For that time, the Lakdahara told, like the woodcutter told, like my axe fell in the river. मेरी कुल्हाड़ी नदी में गिर गई है. It fell in the river. We'll continue. लकड़ेहारे की बात सुनकर जल देवता ने नदी में डुबकी लगाई. After listening to his, God went inside the river. कुछ देर बाद जब वे बाहर निकले तो उनके हाथ में सोने की एक कुल्हाड़ी थी. After some time, when the god came out from the river, in his hand, gold axe was there. क्या यह तुम्हारी कुल्हाड़ी है? Yeah, is it yours? He asked. God asked that. नहीं, यह मेरी कुल्हाड़ी नहीं है. No, this is not mine. जल देवता ने फिर से नदी के अंदर डुबकी लगाई और इस बार वे चांद की कुल्हाड़ी लेकर बाहर आए. What happened? He told it, this is not mine. So God once again he went inside the river and this time what he bought? Silver axe he bought silver axe. या लो अपनी कुल्हाड़ी. He told, take this yours. Take this. For that he told, नहीं भगवान, यह भी मेरी कुल्हाड़ी नहीं है. मेरी कुल्हाड़ी तो लोहे की है. What he told? No God, this is also not mine. यह भी मेरी, this is also not mine. Mine is iron one. जल देवता ने एक बार फिर नदी में डुबकी लगाई और इस बार वे लोहे की एक कुल्हाड़ी लेकर बाहर आए. Once again, water god went inside the river and this time he bought iron axe. He came out. By taking iron axe, he came out. लकड़हारा अपनी कुल्हाड़ी देखते ही खुशी से बोला. After seeing the iron axe, the woodcutter felt so happy and he told that यही मेरी कुल्हाड़ी है. This is mine. मैं तुम्हारी ईमानदारी देखकर बहुत प्रसन्न हुआ, इसलिए मैं यह तीनों कुल्हाड़ियाँ तुम्हें पुरस्कार स्वरूप देता हूँ. What the God told, like, मैं तुम्हारी ईमानदारी देखकर, like, see, even though the woodcutter, he had a chance to tell first time itself, this is mine, but what he did, he didn't tell that. So what God told, मैं तुम्हारी ईमानदारी देखकर, the honesty or the truthful, both God became happy by his nature. So for that he gave 3 axes because of nature. मैं तीनों कुल्हाड़ियाँ तुम्हें पुरस्कार, like as a gift, he told that. यह कहकर जल देवता ने लकड़हारे को उसकी कुल्हाड़ी के साथ साथ सोने और चांदी की कुल्हाड़ियाँ भी दे दी. After telling this, God gave लकड़हारे को उसकी कुल्हाड़ी के साथ, like along with his iron axe, he gave gold one and silver one to him. This is the meaning. What is the lesson from here? ईमानदारी मनुष्य का सबसे बड़ा गुण है. Means it is one quality or one character of a woman, that is ईमानदारी, being honest or being truthful. Nice. This is the lesson we should learn from this. See, he had a chance to tell that when God bought the gold one, he told like, no, this is not mine. So we should also be like that, kids. We should be very honest and we should be very truthful, and we should not tell lie. Next we'll continue the exercise part. I'll go through the question and answers also. First we'll see the words meaning here. Few words they have given. See here, gav, gram, village. लकड़हारा means लकड़ी काटने वाला. The one who will cut the wood, that is wood cutter. कुल्हाड़ी, लकड़ी काटने का औजार means axe. प्रकट, सामने आना, apparent. The God came in front of him ना. डुबकी, गोता लगाना, dive. While swimming we dive na, that is they are talking about. Andar, bhitar, andar means inside, gun means visheshta, that is a quality. So we'll move to exercise part. Here I have prepared the PPT. We will move to that. 1 minute, I'll open that. See, yeah, this is the first question. लकड़हारा कहाँ रहता था? Hope so the question is clear. Once again I'll repeat the question. लकड़हारा कहाँ रहता था? लकड़हारा गांव में रहता था. The woodcutter was staying. The question is, where was the woodcutter used to stay, or where he was staying? Where the woodcutter was staying? For that answer, the woodcutter was staying in village. लकड़हारा गांव में रहता था. गांव means village. We'll move to second question. लकड़हारे की कुल्हाड़ी नदी में कैसे जा गिरी? Woodcutter की axe, how did it fall down in the river? लकड़हारे की कुल्हाड़ी हाथ से छूटकर नदी में जा गिरी. It got slipped from the hand. The axe of the woodcutter, it got slipped from the hand and fell in the river. नदी से कौन प्रकट हुआ? I'll repeat the question again. नदी से कौन प्रकट हुआ? नदी में से जल देवता प्रकट हुआ. See, from the river who came? Who came from the river? Water god. नदी में से from the river water god came. That is the answer. नदी में से जल देवता प्रकट हुआ. Fourth question. This is first part. See this one, these three, and then once again one more is there under that itself, like answer the following question. We'll see that. This is under that. This is the first question. लकड़हारा लकड़ियाँ काटने कहाँ जाता था? The woodcutter to cut the wood where used to go? That is the question. To cut the wood where used to go? लकड़हारा लकड़ियाँ काटने नदी किनारे जाता था. Used to go beside of the river. Sorry. The woodcutter to cut the wood used to go beside of the river. नदी किनारे. We'll see next question. पहली बार जल देवता नदी में से कौन सी कुल्हाड़ी लेकर बाहर आए? पहली बार means first time water god from the river. Which axe he bought? First time पहली बार जल देवता नदी में से सोने की कुल्हाड़ी लेकर बाहर आए. See, the water god, first time water god from the river, he bought the gold axe. That is the answer. पहली बार जल देवता नदी में से सोने की कुल्हाड़ी लेकर बाहर आए. We'll move to next question. दूसरी बार भी लकड़हारे ने कुल्हाड़ी लेने से क्यों मना कर दिया? Second time also, why he rejected, like why he told, like why he didn't take the axe? That is the question. क्योंकि दूसरी बार भी उसकी कुल्हाड़ी नहीं था. Second time also that was not his axe. Because of that he rejected. क्योंकि दूसरी बार उसकी कुल्हाड़ी नहीं था. Second time also his axe was not that. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. अंत में जल देवता ने लकड़हारे को तीनों कुल्हाड़ियाँ क्यों दे दी? फाइनल water god to woodcutter he gave all the three axes. Why he gave that? Why the water god gave all three axes to the woodcutter? That is the question. Answer, क्योंकि वह ईमानदार था. See, why? Because he was honest. Because he was honest. By seeing his quality, he gave all the three, right? Very nice. Hope so this is clear. Next, I'll refer to exercise. See, after all these questions, we'll move here. Yeah. बॉक्स में से सही शब्द चुनकर रिक्त स्थानों की पूर्ति कीजिए. Choose the correct words from the box and fill in the blanks. That is the question. Yeah, we'll see here. First one I have written here. एक दिन वह नदी किनारे लकड़ियाँ काट रहा था. One day on the beside of the river he was cutting the wood. लकड़ियाँ, wood. Next, लकड़हारे की बात सुनकर जल देवता ने नदी में डुबकी लगाई. After listening to woodcutter, water god went inside of the river. That is, Jal Devata went inside, right? So answer will be Jal Devata. जल देवता चांदी की कुल्हाड़ी लेकर बाहर आए. Water god, by taking the silver axe, he came outside of the river. बाहर आए, like he came out, na? By taking what? By taking the axe, that is silver की axe. लकड़ा डैश अपनी कुल्हाड़ी देखते ही खुश हो गई. Who became happy by seeing the axe? लकड़हारा. लकड़हारा अपनी कुल्हाड़ी देखते ही खुश हो गया. By seeing his axe, he felt so happy. Okay, next we'll see what they asked in the exercise. दिए गए शब्दों से वाक्य बनाइए. Make sentences using the given words. We'll see what are the given words. First one is लकड़हारा. एक गांव में एक लकड़हारा रहता था. One village, one woodcutter was staying. That was the own sentence. लकड़हारा is the word. Second one, जंगल. हम बहुत जानवरों को जंगल में देख सकता है. We can see so many living things in jungle. Can see so many living things like birds, animals, all those things. गंगा नदी भारत की सबसे बड़ी नदी है. नदी is the word. गंगा नदी भारत की सबसे बड़ी नदी है. Ganga river is the largest river of India. Next word डुबकी. मैंने नदी में छलांग लगाकर डुबकी ली. Means what I did, I made a long jump, like long dive, and jumped into the river. That is मैंने नदी में छलांग लगाकर डुबकी ली. Like long dive into the river. Okay, next we'll see. नॉलेज ऑफ ग्रामर, व्याकरण ज्ञान. पढ़िए, समझिए और लिखिए. रीड, अंडरस्टैंड एंड राइट. These are the words I have given. मूर्तिकार, जलचर, चित्रकार, लकड़हारा. We'll see. First one, जो लकड़ियां काटता है, लकड़हारा. The one who will cut the wood, that is woodcutter. जो लकड़ियां काटता है, लकड़हारा. Who will cut the wood? जो चित्र बनाता है, चित्रकार. Who will draw the picture? Like artist, right? So चित्रकार. We'll see next one. जल में रहने वाला. Jal means water. Which one live in water? We call Jalchar. Like water bodies. Example, like water animals. Like fish, whale, all those things. Last one, मूर्ति बनाने वाला, मूर्तिकार. The one who will make the statues. So murti, statues, for them we call murtikar. The one who will make the statues. Hope so this is done from the exercise. Yeah, they have given just the lesson summary at the last. And yeah, I have completed the exercise. If you want any lesson from any standard, like from any chapter, please let me know in the comment box. I'll prepare like this and I'll post it. Yeah. Dhanyavad. Thank you friends. Please thank you for watching. Please like and share my video and please subscribe to my channel. Have a great time.